ta'ala. Is the age of maturity in Islam 40? What is the dalil behind it?
Age of?
40.
Age of what?
Maturity.
Maturity. The age of maturity is different from the age of puberty. Age of the puberty, the maximum of it is completion of 15 lunar years. Completion, that means you come to the 16. If you finish that, it becomes an adult, but you could become an adult before that, which is if a pubic hair came out, or a wet dream, and of course if the women had menstruation. But maturity, a rushd, the scholars differed. Is it 30? Is it 40? Okay, so the maturity, a rushd. But I would say maturity is less than that. Maturity depends upon the person's, so it differs from one person to another. You could find a person who's mature in his 20s, and somebody who is immature, even his 40. So it depends upon the person's, and this is linked as well to the prudence and sedation that we talked about. Okay, that's it. But usually it is the case that the person when he's 40, that his basically his knowledge had settled, and that's why we'll find that some students of knowledge, they don't like to even to produce any writings for them, even they have already have done so, but they don't want to bring it to the public except they are 40, because they know that maybe they will change their mind, they will add, they'll deduct. Okay, that's what it is. Now.